In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to gather bulk images using Genspark AI Mobile. To get started, open the Genspark AI Mobile app on your phone and wait for the main dashboard to load. This is where you'll begin the entire process, and once you're in, everything is designed to be quick and mobile friendly. If it's your first time using the app, take a brief moment to get comfortable with the layout so you can spot the main prompt area easily. When you're on the dashboard, tap the prompt area to begin entering your request. This is the most important part of the process because the quality of your results depends heavily on how clearly you describe what you want. Type a highly descriptive prompt that explains the exact subject you need, the number of images you want, and the formatting style you're looking for. The more specific you are, the more useful and organized your results will be. For example, think in terms of visual style, angle, background, or consistency if that matters for your project. Once your prompt is ready, send the request. Genspark AI Mobile will then generate and pull in matching graphic assets, displaying them in a clean grid format that's easy to browse on your phone. This layout makes it simple to compare images quickly without needing to open each one individually right away. After the images appear, review the bulk results carefully. You can either select all of the items if everything fits your needs, or choose only your favorite images for a more curated download. Once you've made your selection, tap the bulk download icon. This will save the images directly to your phone's local storage or to a connected cloud drive such as iCloud or Google Drive, depending on how your device is set up. That's it. With a strong prompt and a quick review of the results, you can gather large batches of images efficiently right from your phone.